here to talk about why Nagios Fusion. It is a way to get centralized, customizable convenience. It allows you to view data from all of the fused instances, XI, NLS, NNA, Core. You really want to log into each one of those, when instead you could just log into one system and see all of that information. Dedicated, purpose-driven dashboards. Let's say if you have like a XI, an NLS, and an NNA for 5 different businesses that you're monitoring, you can create a dashboard for each one of those. Whatever combination of Nagios infrastructure you have, Fusion is worth it. So if you want to see, okay, well, what's down? Well, now you get a quick view at all of your down alerts from the entire set of fused instances you have. Now imagine in Fusion, if you can just create a user, Fusion, you can just make that change and then push it to all. So we'd have centralized viewing of data and centralized management of the actual infrastructure itself.